What's up YouTube? Jackson from East Boy Tuners. How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, like squad, like the videos. If you're already part of the family, welcome back to another episode and to another vlog. So for today's episode, it's gonna be really interesting, guys. We have ourselves a 1960 Shelby SS, fully done, body, engine, it's been refurbished. The car looks great, sounds great. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the car. At the same time, you'll be able to see the place I'm at because they do refurbish these cars and they finance them. So you'll be able to see. I'm just gonna give you a little run around of the car and maybe we'll talk a little bit more about it in a moment.
What is that? An SLS?
So this is the section that I was just trying to explain if you ever want to go ahead and finance a car. These are all the cars that they rebuild. Some of them are actually modified. And I have a really nice car that I want to show you guys. Engine just rebuilt. Wow. Yeah, it's burning rich.
Iran. Iran has all you.
And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, subscribe, notification bell. I hope you guys really love this 1960 Chevy like I do. I enjoy all cars, even muscle cars. So hopefully I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Later.